that is an easy one. I absolutely do love what I do. I came out of the military, retired as a disabled veteran, and I came back into the trucking industry just because it has, to me, it has a direct parallel. You know, we're serving the people of the country. Oh, I hope y'all got plenty of disk space for this one. Has it been harder to be a truck driver through the pandemic? Absolutely. When the pandemic, I think we were officially put into a state of emergency by the president. I want to say the first official date I want to say was March 15th or March 17th. My mindset is that of a retired soldier. You know, this is the first time I've been home since March, right here. You know, I'm sitting in my home right now, so that's well over 3 months. And for that entire 3 months, I've been running relief loads nonstop. The thing that first started scaring us as drivers, obviously, was we had no PPE. You know, there was a big scramble for PPE. And of course, states started shutting down restaurants, you know, which, you know, as a truck driver, you depend on the truck stops. Well, the truck stops shut down restaurants. I've been driving all night and wanting to go to sleep, and tow companies are towing these guys. It created different obstacles. You had other companies that were taking advantage of it. Yeah, so that drove a fear. And then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, freight rates dropped on the spot market. I mean, they dropped through the floor, you might as well say, way below anybody's operating costs. There were a lot of companies, a lot of owner-operators that went out of business. You just don't know what's going to happen right now in the future. And it has made it very difficult because of, obviously, a lot of states are requiring mask requirements. And our biggest thing is we can't get PPE. You can't find it in a truck stop. And if you do find it, you're paying a gouge price. Give us room on the road. I guess if you want to say an easy way to thank us on a daily basis, understand that right now we're basically still in the process of restocking. We're still in the process of moving a lot of freight for you. You guys don't know what we're moving. I mean, we could still be moving COVID tests. We could be moving PPE. We could be moving medical supplies, water. You know, there's all sorts of stuff like that that's being moved right now. That's the easy answer I get. Give us the room. Give us the room to operate and still conduct and get stuff that you need, that you talk about on the news on a daily basis, that you don't have or can't get or your stores don't have. We're bringing it as fast as we can, but we need you to work with us.